Question 12, question 16, sorry, is a great review. We know that we have a regular hexagon and every side has length 12. What we need to think with hexagon is what's the measure of each angle. So if you remember, the sum of the angles in any polygon is n minus 2 times 180. With the hexagon, we have 6 sides, so that's 6 minus 2 times 180. So we know the sum of all of those angles is 4 times 180. But I want to find the measure of each one, so I'm going to divide it by 6. And that's going to give me, 6 goes into 180 30 times, so that gives me 120 degrees. So what I know is that this is 120 degrees. This whole angle would be 120 degrees also, except I have 90 degrees getting used up by this right angle, because I'm told that we form a rectangle. So out of the 120, I'm using up 90 degrees, which means that we have a 30-degree angle and a 30-degree angle. And then what I can do is drop an altitude, which forms that very familiar 30, 60, 90, and I know what the ratio of sides will be. If the hypotenuse is 12, then the shorter leg is going to be 6. So then the longer leg is 6 times the square root of 3, and this also is 6 times the square root of 3. So as far as this rectangle is concerned, I know one dimension is 12, and the other dimension is 12 times the square root of 3. So the area is going to be 12 times the square root of 3, which would, in exact form, be 144 times the square root of 3. But for the textbook, they ask you to give the answer to the nearest tenth. So I get 249.4. And let's see, do we have units here? We do not. So the final answer is 249.4.